때라서 둘이 만나가지고 오늘은 새가 안 보인다. 자.
Hello. Hello people. Hello. Hello people. Hello everyone. Hello people. Hello everyone. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello here. And I've made a few friends here. I'm not with them anymore, but yeah. So I took the bus this morning, and it was it had one seat left, so I sat down. But then a lady came, and she was older than me, so of course I told her to take my place and sit down, and she did. And then after a few stops, it was in the mountains, so the road was really going like that. It was kind of hard to hold on, but yeah. And then a few people just left the bus, and all the ladies were like, "Oh, you sit, you sit, you sit, you sit," and they were so nice to me. And yesterday 3 Korean women arrived, and so just before I left this morning, those ajumas, they gave me fruit. Let me show you. So they gave me a 복숭아, a peach, and clementine. Did I ever tell you that Asia loves stairs? Because I think I did, but let me show you again. Stairs. And more stairs. And it's not the end, it's not the end. There is like all of the way here. Here, 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 here. And then it disappears. But there's still, I can see, stairs. See? It's really, really big. But apparently it's like 400 years old and 20 meters in height and 4.3 meters in circumference. So pretty big tree. Yeah. Okay, so 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 okay, so